Let me show you a few basic things that you can do if you are having some connection problems with your Galaxy Watch 9 or the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. So first, if you are maybe trying to pair your watch to your phone and if you can't do that, then what I first can suggest, if you go in the Galaxy Wearable app, essentially try to pair, and maybe it's simply not finding it. What you can do is, first you can simply on your phone check obviously if you have your Bluetooth enabled. If you have it, you can also, if it's still not finding, you can also kind of manually connect to it first. So click and hold, click on details for example, and in the available device the watch should be found. So you simply click on it and it will connect it. And then you can try again kinda. If it still doesn't find, then what I can suggest do on your phone, go in the general management, I think, reset options, and see reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So you want to simply click this and it will reset the Bluetooth network adapter on your phone, and that also most likely will fix the issue. Another thing what you can do with your phone is you can simply force restart. So literally restart it, and that also sometimes actually solves these issues. Then also if you are having some issues with your watch, so if it doesn't want to connect to your phone after it's maybe set up, then obviously first make sure to go in the settings and under connections make sure you have both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled on your watch. And also if it's maybe glitching, what you can do is you can simply enable the airplane mode and let it sit like that for maybe like 2 minutes, and then take it out of airplane mode and see if it connects. Also see on the top you have this Bluetooth sign. If this is active, so if it's showing, that means it should be connected to the phone and everything should be okay. If still you can't get the watch to work, then also you can force restart this watch. The way we do it, we simply press and hold both buttons at the same time. So let's for example do it. So you hold them. It takes maybe like 10 seconds. So ignore this and simply keep holding. The watch essentially will completely restart. So release once it shuts down. And basically it's doing all kinds of housekeeping now. Also it's checking if everything is okay with the watch and also trying to heal itself essentially as well. This process takes around, I would say, like 40 seconds. As you see, it's completely black, so it's doing something in the background. So we essentially simply wait till it finishes doing whatever it's doing. So it's simply, I guess, checking some things, resetting things. So let's see how long it takes to come back. But I think around like a half a minute as well. Also sometimes if you click and hold on the Galaxy Wearable and Health app, so go in the settings, so see it's rebooting now, so it really takes like a minute. You can also go in the storage here and clear the cache and date as well for both these apps. That also kind of resets and revives them, so you can do that for both these apps as well and see if that solves the connection issues as well. But as see it now turns on and should be good to go. Yeah, okay, good luck.